Zulhisyam. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Rizwan and my matric number is 209997. Okay, my topic for the presentation is the advantage of nuclear energy. Yes. Nuclear energy in terms of an average safety record is greater than the energy, said Bill Gates. Have you ever wondered what it is like if there is no nuclear energy? No, right? Today I am going to talk about the advantage of nuclear energy. You've probably heard this statement a million times before. Nuclear energy is a form of energy released from nucleus, the core of the atom. As a student and teacher, this statement is helped a lot in life and exam, right? I have researched and read the topic and now I like to share what I learned. Today, I like to focus on two benefits of nuclear energy. I will first elaborate on first advantage, which is the impact on country economy will increase, and then Norman will move to second advantage, which is the environmental impact of a country will increase. Okay, the first main point is the impact on country economy will increase. So first of all, it will cost a low cost energy. This is because it is cheap to produce energy from this material compared to other alternative fuel resource. According to the Energy Policy 38/2010, in the article mentioned that nuclear energy consumption can help to mitigate CO2 emission, but so far renewable energy is needed. They have low maintenance and operating costs. Office of Nuclear Energy in the article mentioned that nuclear energy produces more electricity on less land than any other clean air source. You will need 3 million solar panels to produce the same amount of energy. Next, for the second supporting detail is creates job. The third, this is because there is too many workers need to be employed in the country. And according to the Office of Nuclear Energy, they mentioned that the nuclear industry support nearly 500,000 jobs in the United States. Another that is this type of job create a variety field of study. Nuclear industry energy Policy 38/2010 in this article mentioned that in nuclear industry they are provide energy security and climate change. This proven that in this many scope of work need to be employed in this country economy. So I think that's all from me, and I will move to Norman to second main point.
Thank you, Zulhisyam. Hi, my name is Norman Amiruddin. My matric number is 211989. So I will continue the presentation for the next point and the conclusion. The second advantage of nuclear energy is improving the environmental impact of the country. I will explain two reasons why it can improve the environmental impact of the country. For the first point, nuclear energy protects air quality. I will explain it further. Nuclear energy has zero transmission. It produces energy through fission, which is the breaking of uranium atoms to release energy. Without the toxic byproducts created by fossil fuels, electricity is produced using the heat from fission to create steam, which turns a turbine. Also, I will state a fact. In 2019, the United States prevents more than 476 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions, according to the Nuclear Energy Institute, NEI. That is more than all other sustainable energy source put together and is the equivalent of taking 100 million automobiles off the road. It also maintains clean air by eliminating thousands of tons of dangerous air pollutants annually that cause smoke, lung cancer, acid rain, and cardiovascular illness. Okay, for the next point, nuclear energy produces minimal waste. Why do I say that it can produce minimal waste? It is because nuclear fuel is extremely dense. The amount of spent nuclear fuel is not as much as you may assume because it is approximately 1 million times more than other conventional energy source. On a football field, less than 10 yards deep, it could fit all of the spent nuclear fuel created by the American nuclear energy sector over the past 60 years. That waste can also be reprocessed and recycled, although the United States does not currently do this. However, some advanced reactor designs being developed could operate on used fuel. I will add one more fact that you may not be aware of. That is, one inch tall uranium pellet is equivalent to 17,000 cubic feet of natural gas, 120 gallons of gasoline, and 1 ton of coal. Next slide. To conclude this presentation, nuclear energy may significantly contribute to decarbonizing the generation of electricity, but it cannot completely replace fossil fuels as the only source of sustainable energy. Nuclear power should be explored as a possible carbon-free energy option in order to reduce future issues with climate change and other environmental concerns, even if we confront severe hurdles that are limiting the chance for continued growth. As Michael Sebergus, which is an American physician, has said, nuclear power will help provide the electricity that our growing economy needs without increasing emissions. This is truly an environmentally responsible source of energy. So this is all the advantage of using nuclear energy, and that's all from us. Thank you.